You've likely heard of or even used one of our famous Leather Honey products, like our classic leather cleaner and conditioner, which are the best-selling leather care products on Amazon today. That's exactly why we're so excited to showcase our leather conditioner wipes. These premium high-performance wipes are specifically designed to deeply condition all genuine leather surfaces. Our innovative conditioning wipes work to protect and restore your car seats, furniture pieces, purses, shoes, boots, and saddles, as well as your favorite motorcycle gear. Unlike competing products, the 10 wipes in this kit are each individually wrapped to ensure they don't dry out, and come infused with Leather Honey's time-tested effective non-toxic formula, making them the perfect on-the-go solution for revitalizing and restoring moisture on genuine leather surfaces. So now that we've shared why you need Leather Honey's leather conditioner wipes, let's show you how to apply them to your car's interior. Step 1. Before applying our leather conditioner wipes, we recommend cleaning with our leather cleaner wipes. It's also important to spot test in a discreet area because leather types vary greatly. Step 2. After allowing the cleaner to dry, gently wipe the surface with the leather conditioner wipes. Ensure you condition the entire item. Step 3. Allow a minimum of 2 hours for absorption, preferably overnight. Step 4. Sit back and enjoy the sheen of your freshly conditioned surface. Voila! Consider your items now protected and restored, all thanks to Leather Honey's leather conditioner wipes. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968. For the latest up-to-date information and new specials on all Leather Honey cleaning products, visit us at leatherhoney.com today.